or this field map and all. So let me take field map first. So let me see if I do have my some, yes, country and state is there. Let me take country and state. Good to go. So I'll say this legends can be there. I say let it be category. So it is showing this furniture in bluish and officer price are like this. Depending on the case, you can take a call. So location you are having, this tooltip is there, legend is there, then some other fields are there which you can add. Latitude, longitude, if you want to add in tooltip, let's say I want the sales to be there on my tooltip, you can add it sales as a tooltip. So you put your cursor there, you will get sales in consolidation mode. So you can do the formatting if needed. Same formatting is there, background colors, map style is there. If you want to any change road, dark, light, whatever the different sort of designs are available, you can choose based on your need. Let it be road. That's good to go. Say if you want to change it to map, you can anytime change it to map. Where you are having option of size, you can add values. Locations, country versus country and state is there. Legend, I say legend, let me not take legend. I'll remove this. So it's showing me a size based on sales. So based on case, I can see that India is a prominent you can say partner in the sales of this company, and parallel you can say these other sales partners are there, which is prominently affecting the data values.